What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to get the old classic iOS 5 or 4, anything below, the YouTube app, the old classic YouTube app, the old TV icon on iOS 6. This is when they drop support for it, and I'm going to also show you guys not only how you can get the app but also how to get it working, because it's actually a pretty cool process that I'm about to show you guys. And this just set the mood. Anyways, so I'm going to show you guys that I already tried this on my iPhone 3GS, and I'm going to show you that it does work. So we're going to search up a video. Well, I was already watching a video here, so as you can see, it's going to play a video here and it's going to load in a little bit. Just give it its time. It will take a little while. As you can see, it's going to load right there.
Wow! This 8th generation home console game looks way better than the Nintendo Switch's port. But it's portable!
As you can see, it works fine. It plays the videos just fine. You try to search it up, you will get some results. I tried searching myself up. For some reason, no videos popped up. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm not that big of a YouTuber yet. Then if you go to most viewed, you can see all the ones that are trending right now. And then you go to featured, and basically that works. The sign in doesn't work though. If you want to try and sign in, I don't think it's going to work. I tried it with my iPad 2 on iOS 5 and it didn't work. So I'm actually going to show you guys how to fix it. So I got this on my 3GS. Now we're going to do it on my iPhone 4S, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And yeah, let me just get rid of this real quick. Okay, so of course the primary thing is you do have to be jailbroken. That's a must if you want to fix these old apps. And as you can see, I do have the app already on here, and I'm about to show you guys what to do. So of course you gotta jailbreak your phone first. So once you got that taken care of, you come back here, and then we're gonna go to Cydia, and then we're going to add a different source. So as you can see, there are two of these repos that I have, which I didn't even know there was a beta one, and it's gonna reload my data, so give me a second. So as you can see, there's their IPG Cydia repo, which I have mentioned this repo in a couple of my tech tutorials. And there's also a beta one. You want to do the beta one, so I'm going to put it on the screen and the description to show it to which repo you have to put in. It has to be the beta one. It cannot be this one, and I'm about to show you guys why. So once you got that repo in, you want to go ahead to all packages. Then you want to go to classic YouTube app, and of course you want to click install. Since I already have it, it gives me these options. So you want to install that. And then I do believe it's in here as well. Yes, Tube Fixer for iOS. You want to install that. And as you can see, I already have it installed. And that's in terms of getting the app downloaded. And you have to have both of those installed in order to do what we're about to do next. So now afterwards, we have to move to the computer. Alright, so now once we're on the computer, you want to go to Google Cloud Console. So you're going to click here and let it load, give it its time. So you have to basically create an API key, and the way this works is, let me actually show you guys. So as you can see, I already have two projects, one for the iOS 6 3GS and then the iOS 5 on my iPad 2. So when you want to click, just click on the top here. I don't know what it would say if you have a new, because I forgot. You want to click here, then you want to click on new project. So just name it to whatever you remember it. So I'm gonna name it well, I have this one here, so I'm just gonna call it iOS 6 iPhone 4S API. So now that we got create taken care of, let's give it time. It's creating. It's actually a really simple process that you guys will be absolutely amazed to see this working. All right, so it's not showing for some reason just yet. So let me go to here. You gotta click that, and then once you got your project created, you want to go to this here on the navigation menu, APIs and services. Then you want to click on library and give it a time to load. And then once you are in the library, you want to scroll down. For some reason it shows a little weird on mine, a little minimized. You want to scroll down till you find YouTube, and the one you want to do is YouTube Data API version 3. So just click on that, and then you want to click enable, and then just let it enable. It's going to take about a couple seconds, about 20 seconds, somewhere around there. So just let it do its job. And then once you got it enabled, all right, then you want to click on create credentials. So now you click on create credentials and let it load. So here you click which API are you using. You want to say this one, YouTube Data API v3. And I think it might say in some cases it might ask you what browser you're using. For me it doesn't, but if it does, I guess just put your proper browser or something. And you want to click on public data. This is the one you want to click on. Then you click on next once you got that taken care of. And now let it create its API key. And there we go. The API key is now created. So now that you got that taken care of, I think if you want to copy and paste it to get it like properly onto the settings, you want to actually probably just email the file to yourself or whatever iCloud account. And by the way, this does work if you're dual booted as well, because I'm dual booted on iOS 5 on my iPad 2. So this will work if you're dual booted, so you have nothing to worry about there. So yeah, let's get back to the phone. Alright, so now once you're back on the phone, you want to go to settings. Then, oops, forget that. Then you want to go down here, scroll till you see Tube Fixer. Then you want to click on, you want to enable the custom API key. Then I just sent it to myself through iMessage. Then you paste it, hit return, and you hit back. And if you go back, it should be there. So now let's give it a shot. That's to show you guys that this is going to work. So let's go to YouTube, and it's not loading. Maybe I used the wrong one or something. I don't know which one did I just send myself. Let me try that again. All right, there we go. I fixed it now. I don't know if I made a mistake or not, but I got it all loaded now, so you can see the videos load. And let's search myself up. Let's see if it'll load. For some reason, I don't load. We go on loading. Okay, for some reason it doesn't show me. But let's search up like Plain Rock 124, for example. We'll search him up. And okay, there we go. So now if we go here, we're gonna be able to watch his video. So we're gonna have to let it load. Turn the volume up just a bit, since these aren't the loudest speakers in the world. And it does take a little while to load, but when it does load, the video can run pretty nice.
This 8th generation home console game looks way better than the Nintendo Switch's port, but it's portable.
As you can see, so yeah, it loads pretty good. And again, the only thing that doesn't work is the sign in. But other than that, this is how you get the old classic YouTube app on iOS 6 and how to get it working and running. I hope this video helped you guys out, because I know I've been getting so many requests to, or I know my how to fix the actual YouTube app on iOS 6 is one of my most popular tech tutorials. Actually, it's my most popular tech tutorial. So yeah, so hopefully this can help you out. So now it's much easier than trying to get a runaround to get the actual app working, because now you got it, the original YouTube app, and you got it to work. So that is super cool. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.